another amazing episode, guys. And guys, this is the best place you can make your doors. This is the best place you can make your grills. This is the best place that you can find qualified welders, qualified designers, guys. We are designing for you the doors. We design for you everything for metal and fabrication. So guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this show. And if these are modern door, modern, everything is modern. So make sure you like my channel, you comment, subscribe. Yeah, and you can reach us through our mobile number 0105778194. And we usually say service beyond your smile. So guys, these are the doors. These are cheap door, guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.